Looks like someone got their hands on the Samsung Galaxy S25 series ahead of the official reveal, and they're spilling all the tea. Leaked images of the Galaxy S25 series have surfaced, and they're giving us a full look at the upcoming devices, spoiling some of the excitement ahead of Samsung's Unpacked event in San Jose, USA today. But here's the twist. We even get to see the retail box, which had been a total mystery until now. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is looking pretty sleek with a design that's refined, but still keeps that phablet-like vibe. It's moving away from the sharp corners of the Note series and leaning into a more polished, comfortable feel with a flat middle frame and back panel. The camera rings, definitely more premium looking than what we saw in earlier renders. Plus, this time, it comes in a mint and silver shadow for the Galaxy S25, while the S25 Plus is available in a cool navy blue. There's also an icy blue color, and for those looking for something extra, Samsung will offer exclusive shades like blue, black, coral red, and pink gold, but only on their website. As for the S25 Ultra, its standard colors include titanium black, titanium silver, titanium white, and titanium gray. The one in the leak looks like it's the titanium white silver. If you've been eyeing the top-tier Galaxy S25 Ultra, you might be out of luck depending on where you live. According to leaker Chunv, the much-hyped 16 GB RAM version of the Galaxy S25 Ultra will only be available in China, South Korea, India, and Vietnam. For the rest of the world, you're stuck with the 12 GB RAM version. If true, that's kind of a letdown. And finally, here's a bit of a silver lining. If you're in Europe, the Galaxy S25 series might not cost more than its predecessor. A new leak from Gizmo China suggests that pricing for the base models of the S25, S25 Plus, and S25 Ultra will stay similar to the Galaxy S24 lineup. So, what are your thoughts on the upcoming S25 lineup? Let's chat in the comments below. Until then, take care, and I'll see you in the next one.